Of course you will, Caillou. In fact...
I hope you die.
Now I'm going to kill you.
No, you're not. Where's your weapons, Gavin?
Oh wait, where's my weapons at? How'd you do that?
If you haven't noticed by now, Gavin, I have unbelievable powers. I can make sound effects videos on my YouTube channel just like you do. In Caillou Edition. I bully my sister Rosie all the time. You want to know where your parents at, right? Right? Here you go. Here's your parents.
Gavin Graham.
Gavin Graham.
Haha, they're dead. Nobody can stop me. Nobody. Not even you, Gavin. Not even your parents.
Caillou, you stupid bald kid! You killed my parents, my mom and dad.
Mark my word.
Caillou.
You leave here and it is trouble for you too.
What? My only weapon is Mama Luigi. Mama Luigi, come over here. Ew. Caillou touched your nickel.
What? I don't have a nickel.
Nobody touches my nickel.
You're gonna die, Caillou.
No, I don't want to.
Go get him, Mama Luigi.
Silly,
Mama Luigi.
silly.
Come on, Mama Luigi. You can do it. I know you can.
Now I'm gonna draw a mustache on you. Oh my god, he just died.
Now since Caillou is dead, I'm going to do my victory dance. Kirby, it's you! Judy Hopps' pet. I can't believe you survived. I really need your help. Caillou went on a rampage and Judy Hopps is dead, Nick Wilde is dead, my bird is dead, and my parents are dead. Everyone's dead. Can you find me a time machine so I can go back in time? Thank you. Please take me there. Later to the time machine. Yay, Kirby, you found it! You found the time machine! Now all I need to do is to go back in time to the longest sound effects video to part 1. And everyone will be still alive. You're coming too, right? Great! Now I can't wait until Judy Hopps is going to have a pet again, like you. Come on, let's go! Part 1, here I come! Let's go, Kirby! Wow, I'm back in time, and there's my friends. Alright, Kirby, follow me. I think this must be Judy Hopps, over there.
Hi, Gavin Graham. How have you been?
Good. I just went to pick something up, and I got this for you.
Oh my gosh! It's Kirby.
That's right, it's Kirby. He is sold from Dreamland, and he will be staying with us for 50 eternities.
Thank you, Gavin Graham.
You're welcome. Oh, I think Gideon Gray is here to bring us some pies for us. Are you gonna go and meet him?
Yes.
Okay, you're on your own. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that everyone is still alive when I go back in time.
Gideon Gray. I'll be darned.
Hey, Judy, I'd just like to say I'm sorry for the way I behaved in my youth. I had a lot of self-doubt, and it manifested itself in the form of unchecked rage and aggression. I was a major jerk.
Oh, I know a thing or two about being a jerk.
Anyhow, I brought you all these pies.
Oh no you don't, Caillou.
Old folk man got to first kill the purge.
You know what I always say, no more Cailloux in my videos. Again.